This is the IBM Correcting Selectric Typewriter. The typewriter that also erases. As slow motion shows, it literally lifts mistakes off the page with the touch of a key. There's no opaquing, no hand erasing, no repositioning the paper. All of which makes it a little easier than ever to be perfect.
Thank you, sir.